going to solve a logarithmic equation with two log terms on the left side. We will go slow, show every step, and finish with a factoring method. Let's begin. Here is the equation we will solve. Log base 2 of x plus 1 plus log base 2 of x plus 3 equals 3. First, we must check the domain. Inside every log, the expression must be positive. X plus 1 must be greater than 0, and x plus 3 must also be greater than 0. These inequalities mean that x must be greater than -1 and also greater than -3. The stricter condition is x greater than -1. Let's see that on a number line. Everything to the right of -1 is allowed. Now we use the log rule. Log base b of a plus log base b of b equals log base b of a times b. This lets us combine the two logs. So the left side becomes one log of a product. We get log base 2 of the quantity x plus 1 times x plus 3 equals 3. To remove the log, we rewrite in exponential form. If log base 2 of something equals 3, then that something equals 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power is 8. So we get x plus 1 times x plus 3 equals 8. Now expand the left side. X squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 8. Move everything to one side, so we can factor. We subtract 8 from both sides to get x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Now we factor. We need two numbers that multiply to -5 and add to 4. Those numbers are 5 and -1. Set each factor equal to 0. That gives x equals -5, or x equals 1. But remember the domain. X must be greater than -1. So x equals -5 is not allowed. The only valid solution is x equals 1. Let's finish with a quick summary. We used the log addition rule, rewrote in exponential form, expanded, factored, and checked the domain. Thanks for watching.